Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by positioning the car and planning the stop. You want full control. With your left foot on the clutch, right foot firmly on the brake, make sure the gear is appropriate for slowing. Once done, reduce throttle smoothly and let RPMs fall toward idle while keeping the clutch near the biting point. You do this so the engine isn't overloaded and the car remains responsive. This initial balance sets up a clean, controlled stop. You now coordinate clutch and brake to lose speed steadily. Begin progressive braking while easing the clutch toward the biting point. This lets engine braking contribute without stalling. Make deliberate downshifts as road speed decreases. Match revs briefly if needed to smooth each gear change. Once speed is under about 15 km/h, you'll be mostly in first gear, and feathering the clutch becomes the key action. This middle stage prevents you finish by bringing the car to a complete halt safely. At very low speed, push the clutch fully to avoid stalling, then come to rest using the foot brake. If you're parking, set the handbrake before selecting neutral or first gear. Once parked, release the foot brake only after confirming the handbrake holds. Troubleshooting tip: if the engine clicks or trembles, you likely held the clutch too long at the biting point. Fully press clutch, restart movement, and practice quicker release.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.